Anthropic has completely changed the game with Claude Code. In just 8 months, it went from zero to the #1 AI coding tool, overtaking Copilot and Cursor. It now authors 4% of all public GitHub commits, and that number is climbing fast. 4% of GitHub commits. A $2.5 billion run rate. Over 300,000 business customers. And 95% of developers now use AI tools every single week. First up is the new by the way command. This lets you ask a quick question without adding it to your conversation history. Your main task keeps running in the background. No context pollution, no derailing a long-running job. Then there's the loop command. This brings cron-style scheduling directly into your terminal. Set an interval and a prompt, and Claude executes it on repeat for up to 72 hours. It maintains context between cycles and manages its own state. Think of it as a temporary session-level cron job. Now loops are session-level. They die when your terminal closes. But scheduled tasks are persistent. They live in the desktop app, have a catch-up mechanism if you miss a run, and support hourly, daily, or weekly frequencies. 2 different tools for 2 different needs. Under the hood, Claude Code is built on the Claude Agent SDK with MCP server integrations. It dispatches sub-agents in parallel for complex tasks. The code review system, for example, sends multiple agents to examine your code from completely different angles. The system prompt got a major overhaul. Auto memory now writes directly without unnecessary directory checks, and memories follow a structured format. Rule first, then why, then how to apply it. This makes context retention dramatically better across sessions. The skill system has been revamped. The new eval feature lets you test and benchmark and refine skills without writing code. It isolates failures automatically and implements fixes. Multi-agent support now enables parallel testing, making skills more reliable and consistent. Launched March 9th, 2026. Code review deploys multiple agents in parallel. One hunts logic bugs, another checks security, a third analyzes regressions, a verification step filters false positives. Then everything gets ranked by severity and posted as inline GitHub comments. 84% detection rate. Less than 1% false positives. At $15 to $25 per PR, it is not cheap. But traditional tools only do single-pass linting with high false positive rates. Claude Code Review does multi-agent parallel analysis and actually catches bugs that human reviewers miss. Voice mode is now available to everyone. Just toggle it with /voice. And every session now shows effort level selection. Low, medium, high, or max. This controls how deeply Claude reasons, how long it works, and how much it costs. Claude Code now acts as a live API mentor. Ask about prompt caching, extended thinking tool use, or any API feature, and get actionable guidance right in your terminal. No more digging through documentation pages. May 2025, Claude Code launches. October, 300,000 business customers. January 2026, the Cowork desktop app gets built by 4 engineers in 10 days. February, $2.5 billion run rate. March, multi-agent code review ships. Boris Cherney, head of Claude Code at Anthropic, put it simply, 100% of my code for the last 2 months has been written by Claude Code. And I code every day. Getting started takes seconds. Install globally with NPM, set your effort level, start with the loop command for small monitoring tasks. Enable voice mode if you prefer speaking. Then build custom skills as you learn the system. Interactive charts and diagrams are now in beta on all plans. Excel and PowerPoint Sync is live. The plugin marketplace is open for enterprise workflows. At the current trajectory, Claude Code will author more than 20% of all daily GitHub commits by end of 2026. The terminal agent era has arrived.